up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. I got a Resto mod here for you today. 1968 Chevy Camaro with an LS1 paired with a 6-speed transmission. This thing's got tons of upgrades. We're going to go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before you get it. Going to do a full walkthrough of the vehicle. Guys, if you want to see me buy specific classic cars, leave me a comment. Which car would you like me to go out and chase? Also, subscribe so you can see all of our new inventory as we get it in. Also, you can watch me chasing classic cars. Let's begin. 1968 Chevy Camaro. It's got an LS1 under the hood. It's got front disc brakes, rear disc brakes all the way around. 6-speed manual. The drivetrain came out of that vet. It's got these nice weld racing wheels. It's got a wrap on it. So client did a PPF wrap on it. Not sure what's underneath. It is white, it looks like on the door jambs, but it's got this cool striping kit. It's a nice driver for sure. It's fast, it's loud, fuel injected, so it starts right up. If you're looking for something old but drives newer, this is it. Huge wheels, front and back, as you can see. Some people love this look, some people hate it. I personally like it. It's got these slicks on the back. This thing will lay down the rubber on the road. We'll start off on, normally we do a paint test. We can't really do a paint test because this is a wrap. You can see my reflection, but you can definitely, I mean, you can not really tell it's a wrap unless you're touching it. That I will say. You can feel it. It feels like a wrap. But it's hard to tell that's wrap because if you look at the back reflection, you got some good reflection in it. It's not great, but it is good. The overall condition of the wrap is pretty solid for sure. Got a couple flaws in the wrap, which I will point out. We're not sure the condition of the paint underneath. I don't know if he put the the wrap on as paint, or did he put the wrap on to protect the paint. You can look at the door jambs and see that the car is white underneath. Now, talking about the door, we'll do a door test. Door test closes easy. Not hard at all. Little gap down here, right here. This gap here, fairly even all the way around. I don't see any visible flaws in it. Up on the roof, you got a little seam line here from where the wrap was applied. Besides, that's in good shape. Rear quarter's nice. You got a little crack in the wrap right here. No dents or anything. You got the black bumpers on it. Now, as far as the wheels, these tires are 335/30 ZR18, so 18-inch wheels in the back. It's got the weld racing forged racing wheels, and they're in good shape. Not too bad at all. You got these Toyo tires on. Rear glass looks nice. No issues there. I love the black accent. I think the bumper looks so good black like that with these black to finish it. As far as the trunk sits nice on this side, and it sits equally nice on that side. No issues there. Looks good. Moving on to this rear quarter. I don't see anything underneath the wrap that shows me it's got any bond or anything, but there's not really a way to tell the paint condition because of the wrap. Back glass is nice. Same thing with this big tire here. Looks good. This looks nice. I don't feel any bubbling. You got one little spot right there. I see one little bubble there. Nothing here. Door closes good. Gap looks nice. A little tighter up top, looser on the bottom. Got the same line across here, just like the other side where the wrap meets the other part. Dash looks good. Okay, moving on to this fender. Fender looks good. Again, I got the black trim. Down here looks good. Front wheels are 225/45 ZR18. So 18-inch across. A little imperfection there. A little in the wrap right there. As far as the hood sits pretty good. A little bit tighter on this side than on that side. The front looks good. I like the wrap. I think the wrap gives it a nice look. I will be honest with you. It being a Resto mod, I think this is perfect for the wrap, for the car, it having a wrap on it. I think it looks real solid. Looks good. The blackout window in the back also looks good. The wheels kind of match. If you're into this thing, I think it all goes accordingly. Let me know, guys. Leave me a comment. You love it or you hate it. Do you like the Resto mod? Do you like the wrap? The wrap with the LS1 with the 6-speed, with the wheels. I know the older guys are not going to like it, but I think the younger guys will. You got a reinforced frame because of the horsepower. Undercarriage looks good. You also got this roll cage in here, but this is just sitting in here. This can come out. Frame looks good. Little flaw here I noticed. Right there in the wrap. I definitely would change this GT Grant steering wheel. I put a nice Chevy steering wheel, probably a wooden one. I think it'll give it a better look. And I do something with that middle piece there. Maybe put a middle console or something on it. I think you do that. The gauges I would also move down below. After that, I think you have a perfect car just to get in and go. Under the hood, beautiful LS1. Power steering, power brakes, Willwood setup. Just a driver's car, man. Yeah, Griffin radiator, upgrade it. I mean, this is nice. Definitely throwing out some serious horsepower and making it like a real nice cruiser. I also got a kill switch in this one. Also got upgraded ultralight gauges. Your OBD port here. You have a line lock. You can light up these tires. You got your oil pressure, fuel gauge, water temperature there. This is your kill switch right here. Your push in and turn. Got I think, 7,578 miles since the rebuild. Fires up, sounds great. Now that sounds good, guys. Got roll-up windows. Seats are in good shape. Oh, a couple little things to make this car a real nice car. You got no horn. Wipers work. Let's see if the lights turn on. Looks like HID's up front. This one's working. I don't see that one coming on. So we'll have to look at that one and see if we can get this one working, figure out what it is. So that one's working. Turn signals are not working. So I do have a couple switches here. I don't know if those are empty switches. So horn, turn signal, and that front light that needs to be fixed. One light's work. Oh, there we go. Light's on. So it looks like these are working, but the main bulb in the middle is not working. Okay, so that bulb needs to be replaced. This thing sounds great. Not a bad car at all. You also got Bluetooth that you can hook up your phone to it and just play off your phone, nothing else. Not a regular radio. Power steering. To make this car real nice, to do it right, I would throw a carpet in it, fix that little middle piece, get the turn signals working, and you're set. Mechanically, I wouldn't do anything to it. This thing hauls butt fast. I leave the wheels, leave it just the way it is. Guys, if you're interested, let me know. Give us a call. Go on our website, bobbyvinsclassics.com.